Autodesk Inventor. We're going to do a drawing that includes assemblies and a presentation. I'm going to click New, go to a standard drawing, and on here I'm going to go into my base view, and on this one Browse, and I'm going to look for a marker assembly. There we go, there's the assembly of the marker. I'm going to tell it to put that in an isometric view. Pull that in there. Change my view. I'll go a little bit larger on that one, going 4:1. That might be too big, so I'll go 3:1. There we go. Click that in there. Put my marker in there. And then I also want to go in there and project and get the view of the marker in an IPN. So let's go in there and find our IPN file. Should be at the bottom. There's my marker for the IPN. Click Open. Click and move that one into position. I'm going to tell it to see what happens if we go 3:1. I think we can get that to fit. There we go. Put that in there. Click OK. Now, on both these, we should be able to go in there and change these to shaded view. So I'm going to edit the view, tell it to turn on the shading, bring in some color for us. And on this one here, see if I can right click on that one and give it some shading. Click OK. On this, I want to go in there, and now that I have this in here, I want to do a bill of materials. So I want to do balloons. So I'm going to go over to Annotation. I click on the balloon command. I want to do the automatic balloons. I have to select the drawing that I want to work from, and so here it is. I want to work from this presentation. It says add and remove the parts. I want these parts here, and I'm going to hold down the control key and go I want this part and this part also. So I have all the parts of that designated. I now click on Select Placement for those, and I click into my drawing, and there's my balloons for those. I tell it to apply that. Click Yes, make them available for a bill of materials, and then click up here on my parts list for bill of materials. Select the view that I want to do. There's the view. Click OK, and there is my box of parts showing me what's in there. So I can zoom in on this a little bit and go, there are my balloons and there are my parts. Very easy to do.